Look how cool that is. I can move that one thing and the whole thing moves here. Okay, so this wants to go outwards, but it's stuck. It keeps bouncing up against this wheel here. Okay, what about this? What about this? Okay, that's getting blocked by that. Oh, here we go. Ooh, look at that. That's something. Okay, what about this now? This is, oh! Right. Wow, because that moved, now this part goes through. Oh my god, that's cool. Oh look, and that lifts this, so this wheel, now this wheel spins. And what does that mean? Why are we spinning this wheel? Oh, so now that this can move. Oh, this one here needs to move out of the way. Can this one move now? Yes, it can. It can move now. Therefore, this one moves. And because this one moves, what does that do? What does that? That makes this one loose. Oh, well, this is opening now. Oh, hello. See, that's not moving because this one's sort of stuck in the way. There's got to be a clue as to why these symbols are here and how they match up to the different sides. So it's 1, 2, 3. There's 6 sides here. Why are there only 5 of these things? Which side isn't included? Right, that one is clearly this one. Right? This symbol here is clearly this one. This symbol here is clearly that one with the 2 sides, which is here. This side. So that's these 2 done. That symbol's clearly the one with the hand. And this one is clearly this one. So this one is either this or, which would make more sense, would be this side. Yes, it would make much more sense. Yes. Oh, all of these symbols have lines, right? So, oh, this is smart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. It's the order in which they were solved. So the last one was 5. This is correct. 4. Which one was 4? I gotta look here. This was definitely not 1. 1 was, I think, this one over here. It's like a combination safe. So 1. So we got 1, now 2. So once that was opened, which side did we open next? It was this one, I believe, right? The lines. This was 5. Yep, 5. And we got 1, 2, so we're missing 3 and 4. Yes! So now what? Wow. MKD puzzle. I guess it's a key. This whole thing here, figuring that out was the greatest thing ever. Like, that is so cool. All right, can we get this together? So freaking cool. I went back into the puzzle and I took this thing out because I believe that maybe this is just like a cool mechanism that I can put together for you guys. Oh. Okay, and this last piece. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I have crafted whatever this is. It's like a little steampunk arm that I can grab things with. So it's not a key, although it looks like a key. It's a bit of a steampunk arm. Or bottle opener. Well, hot dang! Oh, that was unintended. Mechanigma. Amazing. Possibly my favorite puzzle. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.